Today we explain the architecture of an artificial neural network. What is the artificial neural network? Explain the architecture of an artificial neural network. To understand the concept of the architecture of an artificial neural network, we have to understand what a neural network consists of. Neural network depends on input layer, output layer, hidden layer. In order to define a neural network that consists of a large number of artificial neurons. Neural network consists of a large number of artificial neurons like a brain, which are terms units arranged in a sequence of layers. In artificial neural network, units are arranged in a sequence of layers. Let us look at various types of layers available in an artificial neural network. There are three types of layers. There are four types of layers in artificial neural network. First is input layer, second is hidden layer 1, third is hidden layer 2, and last is output layer. This is first is input layer, this is hidden layer 1, this is hidden layer 2, and last is output layer. Input layer. As the name suggests, it accepts inputs in several different formats provided by the program. Input layer accepts inputs in different forms provided by the programmer. Hidden layer. The hidden layer presents in between input and output layer. Second layer, that is hidden layer, is between input and output layer. Its function is it performs all the calculations. It performs all the calculation to find hidden features and patterns. Hidden layer calculates the hidden features and patterns. Output layer. The input goes through a series of transformation using the hidden layer. Input passes through the hidden layer, which finally results in output that is conveyed using this layer. Hidden layer conveys the output layer. The artificial neural network takes input and computes the weighted sum of the inputs, includes a bias. What do artificial neural network? Takes input and computes the weighted sum of the inputs, includes a bias. This computation is represented in the form of transfer function, that is in the weighted form of function. Define artificial neural network. What do you mean by artificial neural network? It determines the weighted total is passed as an input to an activation function to produce the output. It determines the weighted total is passed through input to an activation function to produce the output. Activation function choose whether a node should fire or not. Activation function decide the node should fire or not. Only those who are fired make it to the output layer. Those inputs are fired, they are taken to the output layer. There are distinctive activation functions available that can be applied upon the sort of task we are performing. Thank you.